Okay, dear students, on behalf of Indra Priyadarshini Mahila Degree College, I am teaching the subject of publication. I am Sri A. Tirupati. Today, subject is a political executives at state level, governor and chief minister. So, these are the subject of today's state level profile of the state administration. State profile is important for in the state level. Our Indian government is the interstate of India. Because of the government of India has to give some powers and functions of the state government. State government has by the people. State government is by the people. So because of the state legislative is elected as one of the important of the governor, chief minister, council of ministers, and directorates, and district administration, local self-government administration, urban, rural, Jilla Parishad, and Mandal Parishad, and village, Gram Panchayats. So these are the structure of the state profile. So state government. So this is the important of the India. So we have to discuss about the main features of the Indian state government. So the state government in India are the governments ruling 29 states and 7 union territories of India, and the head of the council of ministers in state is chief minister. Power is divided between the union government and the state governments. While the union government handles military and external affairs, etc., whereas the state government deals with internal security through state police and other state issues. Income for the union government is from customs, duty, excise, tax, income tax, etc. While state government income comes from sales tax, VAT or GST, state GST, stamp duty. Now these have been subsumed under the CGST, SGST component of GST. Each state has a legislative assembly, a state legislatures that has one house known as state legislative assembly. Vidhana Sabha is a unicameral legislature, a state legislature that has two houses known as state legislative assembly and state legislative council. Vidhana Parishad is a bicameral legislature. The Vidhana Sabha is the lower houses and correspondents to the Lok Sabha. The Vidhana Parishad is the upper house and correspondent to the Rajya Sabha of Indian Parliament. The Sarkaria Commission was set up to review the balance of power between state and the union. The union government can dissolve a state government in favor of presidents of necessary. For every state, there is a legislature which consists of governor and one house or two houses, as the case may be. One in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh. There are two houses known as a legislative council and legislative assembly. In the remaining states, there is only one house known as a legislative assembly. Parliament may, by law, provide for the abolition of an existing legislative council or for creation of one where it does not exist. If the proposals is supported by a resolution of the Legislative Assembly concerned, the Legislative Assembly of a state comprises not more than one third of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly of the state, and in no case favor 40 members percentage. About one third of members of the council are elected by members of the Legislative Assembly from amongst persons who are not its members. One third by electorates consisting of the members of municipalities, district boards, and other local authorities in the state. 1/12 by an electorate consisting of persons who have been for at least 3 years engaged in teaching in educational institutions within the state not lower in the standard than secondary school, and a further 1/12 by registered graduates of more than 3 years standing. Remaining, the members are nominated by governor from among those who have distinguished themselves in literature, science, art, cooperative movement, and social services. Listed council are not subject to dissolution, but one third of their members retire every second year. The Legislative Assembly of a state consists of not more than 500 and not fewer than 60 members. Legislative Assembly of Sikkim has 32 members, while Puducherry has 33, Goa and Mizoram have 40 seats each, while Article 371 of F of the Constitution. Chosen by direct elections from territorial constitutions in the state, democration of territorial constituencies is to be done in such a manner that the ratio between population of each constituency and number of seats allotted to it, as far as practicable, is the same throughout the state. Term of an assembly is 5 years unless it is dissolved earlier. Powers and functions. Edit state legislatures as exclusive powers over subjects enumerated in list 2 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution, and concurrent powers over those enumerated in sub list 3rd. Financial powers of legislature, including authorization of all expenditures, taxation, and borrowing by the state government. Legislative Assembly, all one has the power to orientate money bills. Legislative Council can make only recommendations in respect of changes it consider necessary within a period of 14 days of the receipt of money bills from Assembly. Assembly can accept or reject these recommendations. The governor of a state may reserve any bill for the consideration of the president. Bill relating to subjects like the compulsory acquisition of a property, measures affecting powers and positions of high courts, and the imposition of a taxation on storage, distribution, and sale of water or electricity in interstate river or river valley development projects should necessarily be so reserved. No bill seeking to imposing restrictions on interstate trade can be introduced in a state legislature without the previous sanctions of the president. The state legislatures, apart from exercising the usual power of a financial control, use all normal parliamentary devices like questions, discussion, debates, adjournments, and no confidence motion and resolution to keep a watch over day to day work of the executive. They also have their committees on estimates and public accounts to ensure that grants sanctioned by the legislature are properly utilized. These are overall 4,121 legislative assembly seats in states and territories of India. 1, 2, 3. Andhra Pradesh abolished its legislative council in 1984, but has set up a new legislative council following elections in 2007. Membership and terms of office edit: state, union, territory, legislature type, size, current term, lower upper total form to Andhra Pradesh, bicameral 175, 58 for 233, June 2019, June 2024. Arunachal Pradesh, unicameral 60, N by A 60, June 2019, June 2024. Assam, unicameral 126, N by A 126, May 2016, May 2021. Bihar, bicameral 243, 75, 318, November 2015, November 2020. Chhattisgarh, unicameral 19, N by A 90, January 2019, January 2024. Delhi, unicameral 70, N by A 70, February 2020, February 2025. Goa, unicameral 40, N by A 40, March 2017, March 2022. Gujarat, unicameral 182, N by A 82, December 2017, December 22. Haryana, unicameral 90, 9 by A 90, November 2019, November 2024. Himachal Pradesh, unicameral 68, N by A 68, December 2017, December 2022. Jammu and Kashmir, unicameral 85, N by A 85, December 2014, December 20. Jharkhand, unicameral 81, N by A 81, December 2019, December 2024. Karnataka, bicameral 224, 75, 299, July 2019, July 2024. Kerala, unicameral 140, N by A 140, May 2016, May 2021. Madhya Pradesh, unicameral 230, N by A 230, January 2019, December 2024. Maharashtra, bicameral 288, 78, 366, November 2019, November 2024. Manipur, unicameral 60, N by A 60, March 2017, March 2022. Meghalaya, unicameral 60, N by A 60, March 2018, March 2023. Mizoram, unicameral 40, N by A 40, December 2018, December 2023. Nagaland, unicameral 60, N by A 60, March 2018, March 2023. Odisha, unicameral 147, N by A 147, June 2019, June 2024. Puducherry unicameral 33, NBA 33 May 2016, May 2021. Punjab unicameral 117, NBA 2017, March 2017, March 2022. Rajasthan unicameral 2200, NBA 200, January 2019, December 2024. Sikkim unicameral 32, NBA 32, June 2019, June 2024. Tamil Nadu unicameral 234, NBA 234, May 2016, May 2021. Telangana bicameral 119, 45, 159, BCom 2018, December 2023. Tripura unicameral 60, NBA 60, March 2018, March 2023. Uttar Pradesh bicameral 403, 100, 501, March 2017, March 2022. Uttarakhand unicameral 70, NBA 70, March 2017, March 2022. West Bengal unicameral 294, NBA 294, May 2016, May 2021. Total assembly MLAs and 4,121, 421, 4,547. State executive consists of a governor and council of ministers with chief ministers as its head. The governor of a state is appointed by the governor and council of ministers with chief ministers as its head. The governor of a state is appointed by the president for a term of 5 years and holds office during his pleasure. Only Indian citizens above 35 years of age are eligible for appointment to this office. Executive power of the state is vested in governor, council of ministers. The chief minister is appointed by the governor, who as appoints other ministers on the advice of the chief minister. The council of ministers is collectively responsible to legislative assembly of the state. Council of ministers with the chief minister as head aids and advises governor in exercise of his functions, except in so far as is by or under the constitution required to exercise his functions, or any of them in is a discretion in respect of a Nagaland governor as a special responsibility under the Article 371A of the Constitution with respect to law and order, and even though it is necessary for him to consult council of ministers in matters relating to law and order, he can exercise his individual judgment as to the action to be taken. Similarly, in respect of Arunachal Pradesh, governor has a special responsibility under Article 371H of the Constitution with respect to law and order, and in discharge of his functions in relations thereto, governor shall, after consulting council of ministers, exercise his individual judgments as to the action to be taken. These are, however, temporary provisions if President, on receipt of a report from governor or otherwise, is satisfied that it is no longer necessary for governor to have a special responsibility with respect to law and order, he may also direct by an order. Likewise, in the sixth schedule, which applies to tribal area of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram, as a specialized in para 20 of the schedule. Discretionary powers are given to governor in matters relating to sharing of royalties between district council and state government. Six schedules wastes additional discretionary powers in governors of Mizoram and Tripura in law allots all their functions except approving regulation for levy of taxes and money lending by non-tribal by district councils. Since December 1998 in Sikkim, governor has been given a special responsibility for each and social and economic advancement of different sections of populations. All governors, while discharging such constitutional functions as appointment of chief minister of a state, or sending a report to president about failure of a constitutional machinery in a state, or in respect of uh, matter matters relating to assent to passing a bill in the state assembly. The governor of the states of India have a similar powers and functions at the state level as that of the President of India at union level. Governors existing in the state, while lieutenant governors or administrator exist in union territories including National Capital Territory of Delhi. The governor acts as the nominal head, whereas the real power lies with the chief minister of the states and his or councils of ministers, although in union territories. Real power lies in lieutenant governor or administrator, except in NCT of Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir, where or she shares power with a council of ministers headed by chief minister. Governor of state, lieutenant governors, administration of union territories, emblem of India, state emblem of India, flag of India styles is or her excellency the honorable residency Raj Bhavan, governors Raj Niwas, legitimate governors in India. A lieutenant governor is in charge of a union territory. However, the rank is present only in the union territories of Anandam and Nicobar Islands, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, and Puducherry. The other territories have an administrator appointed who administrator Puducherry territories have an administrator appointed who is usually an IAS officer or a retired judge of a court. However, the governor of Punjab acts as the administrator of Chandigarh, although lieutenant governor do not hold the same rank as a governor of a state in the list of procedures. The governor and lieutenant governors are appointed by the president for a term of 5 years. The primary functions of the governor is to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and the law as incorporated in his oath of office under Article 159 of the Indian Constitution in the administration of the state affairs. All his or her action recommendations and supervisory powers, Article 167C, Article 200, Article 213, Article 355, etc., over the executive and legislative entitles of a state shall be used to implement the provisions of the Constitution. In this respect, the governor has many different respect to governor has many different types of powers. Executive powers related to administration, appointments and removals. Legislative powers related to law marking and the state legislature, that is state legislative assembly. Vidhana Sabha or state legislative council, Vidhana Parishad. Discretionary powers to be carried about according to the discretionary of the governor. Executive power, edit the constitution vests in the governor. All the executive powers of the state government, the governor appoints the chief minister who enjoys the support of the majority in the state legislative assembly. The governor also appoints the other members of the council of ministers under the distributes portfolios to them on the advice of the chief minister. The council of ministers remaining in power during the pleasure of the governor, but in the real sense it means the pleasure of obtaining majority in the legislative assembly as long as the majority in the state legislative assembly supports the government. The council of ministers cannot be dismissed. The governor appoints the chief minister of a state. He or she also appoints the advocate general and the chairman and members of the state public service commission. Apart from this, state election commissioner is also appointed by the governor through removed by the president. The president consults the governor in the appointment of judges of the high courts, and the governor appoints the judges of the district courts. All administrations are carried on his or her name. He or she also has the power to appoint staff for his her tenure in class 1 and class 4 as per Constitution of India. The governor of the state by virtue of his or her office is also the chancellor of most of the universities in the state. The dignity and impartiality of the office of the chancellor puts the governor in a unique position with regarding to protecting the autonomy of the universities and saving the from undue political interference. The governor as a chancellor of universities also acts as a president of the state. Governor has power to direct inspection of every component of the universities and affiliated colleges required due to action on the result of inquiry. The councillor appoints church committee for appointments of vice chancellors. Governor according consent of warrant of degrees and withdraw degrees are distinctions both at the recommendations of the Senate. Governor approves or disapproves statutes passed by the Senate and appoints teachers of the university based on recommendations of the respective committees. Legislative powers edit the summons the sessions of both houses of the state legislatures and prorogues them. The governor can even dissolve the state legislative assembly. These powers are formal, and the governor's use of these powers must comply with the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister. The governor inaugurates to dedicated the state legislature by addressing it after the assembly elections and also at the beginning of the first session every year. The governor's address on this occasion generally outlines new policies of the state government. A bill that the state legislature has passed can become a law only after the governor gives assent. The governor can return a bill to the state legislature if it is not a money bill for reconsideration. However, if the state legislature sends it book back to the governor for the second time, the governor must assent to it. The governor has the power to reserve certain bills for the president. When the state legislature is not in session and the governor consider it necessary to have a law, then the governor can promulgate ordinances. These ordinances are submitted to the state legislature at its next session. They remain valid for no more than 6 weeks from the date the state legislature is recovered unless approved by its earlier. Governor is empowered under Article 192 to disqualify a member of a house of the state legislature when the election commission recommends that the legislature is no longer complying with provisions of Article 191. Per Article 165 and 177, Governor can ask the Advocate General to attend the proceedings of both houses of the state legislatures and report to him any unlawful functioning if any financial powers edit the governor causes to be laid before the state legislature the annual financial statement, which is the state budget. Further, no demand for grant shall be made except on his recommendations. They can also make advances out of the contingent fund of the state to meet any unforeseen expenditures. Moreover, he constituted the Finance Commission of State discretionary power of edit. The governor can use these powers. When no party gets a clear majority, the governor has discretionary to choose a candidate for a chief minister who will put together a majority coalition as soon as possible. He can impose president's rule. He submitted reports on his own to the president or on the direction of the president regarding the affairs of the state. He can withhold his assets to a bill and send it to the president for his approval during emergency rules. For Article 353, he can override the advice of the Council of Ministers if specially permitted by the President. A Chief Minister is an elected or appointed head of government of in most instances a national entity. For instance, an administrative subdivisions are a federal constant entity. Example include a state and sometimes a union territory. In India, a territory as a Australia one, a province of a Sri Lanka or a Pakistan, a federal province in Nepal, or autonomous region of a Philippines, or a British overseas territory that has attained self-governance. It is also used as the English version of the title given to the heads of governments of the Malay states. Without a monarchy, the title is also used in the crown dependencies of the Isle of Man since 1986, in Guernsey since 2004, and Jersey since 2005. In 2018, Sierra Leone, a presidential republic, created the role of an appointed chief minister, which is similar to a prime minister in a semi presidential system. Before that, only Milton Margai had the same position between 1954 and 1958. So the governor is the very important for the administrative activities for the organizational level in the country. So governor, if the governor is appointed in the state level, is eligible and his qualification is very important for the appointment of governor. The more than 35 years of the person is appointed as a governor, but is not have any legislative members in state and central, is not have any governmental economical business relationship, and he must is the citizen of India. So he is appointed as a governor and taken over the charge through the President of India. He submitted the reports to President of India and Council of Central Ministers, cabinets of the central. So these are the governors' powers and functions of the Indian states. So students, tomorrow we have to discuss on all the another chapter. Thank you.